if there was no coordination between living and non-living things? Imagine if plants produced gases that were useless to animals, or if decomposers didn't exist to recycle dead organisms back into the earth. What if pollinators stopped pollinating? What if the sky refuses to condense the water, as a result rain couldn't form and there is no way transferring the water from sea to the land?
Let's consider a computer as an analogy. Each pixel on your screen is a complex entity made up of subpixels that emit different colors. The screen itself is a collection of these pixels, but they are meaningless without the electric currents that power them. However, the currents too are useless without a circuit board to direct them. Now consider the complexity of the circuit board, a maze of copper lines that guide the power to its destination. This intricate design is nothing more than a piece of plastic without the electricity that brings it to life. And yet the electricity itself is pointless without a power source. This complexity doesn't end there. The power source, the circuit board, the electric currents, the screen, and the pixels, all of these components are useless without the programming that tells them what to do. A programmer must write codes, lines of instructions that tell each component how to interact with the others. Each explanation leads to another question. Each cause leads to another cause. This chain of causality stretches back to the dawn of time, but it can't stretch back forever. There must be a first cause, a prime mover, an uncaused causer. Until we reach a conscious, self-subsistent, independent being outside the physical realm, everything in this universe adheres to the rule of cause and effect. Let's consider an example from the military, obtaining permission to fire a bullet. In the military hierarchy, each officer must seek approval from a superior before giving the command to fire. Picture this as an infinitely long chain of officers, each waiting for the nod from the one above. But wait, if there were no ultimate superior exempt from this rule, no bullet could ever be fired. This would render the very existence of the military futile, wouldn't it? Yet, we know that's not the case. Bullets are fired, orders are executed. This implies the presence of an ultimate superior, the one who holds the power to initiate action, independent of the approval of others. This is the individual who breaks the infinite chain, the first cause in this hierarchical system. What if we apply our military analogy to the universe? Could there be an ultimate superior, a first cause that set the universe in motion? Think about it. If everything is the effect of a prior cause, we're stuck in an infinite regression of causes. Just like the military hierarchy, this chain needs a break, a first cause that isn't an effect of any prior cause. This ultimate cause would need to be conscious, self-subsistent, and independent of the physical realm. Does this analogy lead us to the conclusion that there is an ultimate creator of the universe? It's a thought-provoking question, isn't it? It seems that the deeper we delve into the mysteries of the universe, the closer we come to the idea of a first cause, an ultimate superior, an architect of the grand design.
بديع السماوات والأرض وإذا قضى أمرا فإنما يقول له كن فيكون. وقال الذين لا يعلمون لولا يكلمنا الله أو تأتينا آية كذلك قال الذين من قبلهم مثل قولهم تشابهت قلوبهم قد بينا الآيات لقوم يوقنون.